This video covers a couple of useful keystrokes for quickly adding footnotes to a spreadsheet using Macabacus. At the bottom of the screen, there are two key tools, the Footnote Toggle and the Footnote Cycle. Looking at these labels with numbers at the end, pressing Ctrl-Shift-6 instantly formats them as footnotes. To add footnote numbers to the descriptions below, the first cell is highlighted, and Ctrl-Alt-Shift is pressed once, then twice, 3 times, and 4 times. In just a few keystrokes, all footnotes are formatted correctly. These Macabacus keyboard shortcuts make the process incredibly fast. Without Macabacus, formatting footnotes manually requires significantly more steps. Reverting the labels back to their original format is just as easy. Pressing Ctrl-Shift-6 again removes the footnote formatting. Now, looking at the first label, Weight 1, manually applying a footnote requires going into the cell, pressing F2, highlighting the number, and then pressing Ctrl-1 to open the Format Cells dialog box. From there, navigating to the SFX panel using the Tab key, selecting Superscript with the down arrow and spacebar, and pressing Enter applies the formatting. After exiting the dialog box, pressing Enter again finalizes the change. That completes one footnote, but the process needs to be repeated for the remaining entries. This involves multiple keystrokes per footnote, making it time-consuming and tedious. With Macabacus, all of these unnecessary steps are eliminated. Instead of manually formatting each number, footnotes can be applied instantly with simple keystrokes, allowing users to focus on analysis instead of repetitive formatting. Thank you for watching. Visit Macabacus.com to learn more about why Macabacus is the leading productivity and brand compliance add-in for finance professionals and their firms.